did it, guys. I got the GoPro Hero 9. Hey guys, what's up? Good morning. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a great, lovely motherfucking day. And in this video, I'm going to be talking about me buying the GoPro Hero 9 Black. As you guys all know, I work at Costco, and if you don't know, now you know I work at Costco, and I was working, and I was like, should I buy it? I was like, no, I'm not gonna buy it. I'm not gonna buy it. I kept walking past it, and I was like, I'm not gonna buy it. After I clocked out, I looked at it again, and I was like, I'm gonna fucking buy it. And I bought it. And I was like, okay. So I got this from Costco for $389, $408 with tax. The 20 megapixel camera, oh my god, almost as much as my DSLR. My DSLR is 24. 5K and 4K. You can go 33 feet or 10 meters underwater. I'm mainly gonna be using this for underwater. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be great for when I go diving, just for fun videos. 1080p live streaming. That's dope. I don't live stream, but dope. In here, in this lovely box, GoPro, it comes with a 32 gigabyte SD card. It comes with that sticky thing that you can put the GoPro on. It comes with a mini tripod, which I believe can float. It comes with the charger and 2 batteries. Yes. I'm so excited. I bought it yesterday and I was like, I'm not gonna open it. I'm going to save it for tomorrow. Here we are. Let's open the bitch. I want to rip the box. This is a beautiful box. And just in case I don't like it and I have to return it. You know what I mean? I want to at least make it presentable. Ooh, oh god, fuck this. Ow. That hurt. It comes in a box in a nice GoPro thing. Oh! Look at that nice setup, like right when I open it. Oh! Shit! This is beautiful. Here I have the 32 gigabyte SD card. I have the instruction manual behind here. Got the charger, sticky thingy, and the thingy to like hook the GoPro up to shit. I got the 2 extra batteries. Here is the mini tripod. Now that I'm holding it, I do not think it is floatery. I don't think it floats in water. Now for the actual GoPro. Whoa! Yeah, okay, let me just... This is actually just like a video for pure excitement because I got it. It's not one where it's like, it's all these specs and it's this and it's that. I'm comparing to this and comparing to that. No, I'm just making this video because I'm excited that I bought it. Time to turn it on. Ooh, beep, beep, beep. I can see the front, bitch. I can see the front. Look at that. Can you see it now? Hello, ma'am? Look at that. You can see the front. You can see the front. It's great. I can be like, okay guys, so in this video, I'm gonna be doing this. Or like, what's up guys? I'm going diving. Yes sir, bless sir. This thing is like... This is the 9, this is the 7. You know, it's not like huge, but you can definitely tell the difference. And I believe this front screen, you can't see anything. This one, I believe you can see the front screen when you're like this. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna have fun, we're gonna test this shit out. Yeah, so that was everything from the GoPro of me skateboarding. So that was just what was coming out of the GoPro, and on top of that there was no extra editing except for just cutting it with the music and making it look good. Actually, I'm recording right now with the GoPro so that you guys can see like the vlog potential in it. I don't have the mic mod or anything on it, but it's just the regular GoPro. I was also rewatching it while I was editing the skateboard video. The quality looks pretty dope. 20 megapixels, it better look dope, you know what I mean? But anyways guys, that was my video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and also click that subscribe button if you guys haven't already, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.